If you're struggling for lighting ideas for small garden areas, you're not alone. A garden with lights can truly enhance your outdoor living space, but you may be worried about overdoing it in such a limited area. Today, we're going to explore some creative lighting ideas for small back gardens, along with some general tips on lighting your garden effectively. First things first, before you dive into the exciting world of garden lighting, it's important to assess your small garden space. Take a walk around and familiarize yourself with what you have to work with. Look at the elements you want to light up. Think about pathways, seating areas, fences, walls, and any unique features that could use a little illumination. It might help to take quick notes or sketch out a simple plan. Understanding the layout of your garden and where each feature sits in relation to the others will be crucial in achieving a well-lit, harmonious space. Once you have a clear understanding of your garden's layout, it's time to prioritize your lighting goals. Ask yourself whether safety lighting is your primary concern, or if aesthetics take precedence. The objectives you set for your garden lighting will ultimately guide your decisions on which lights to install and where to place them. When it comes to outdoor lighting, there are many types of fixtures available to choose from. Garden wall lights, for instance, are incredibly versatile and can add both style and soft, indirect illumination to your garden walls. You might also consider garden uplighters, which are perfect for creating accent light. They work well to draw attention to vertical features like sculptures, fountains, or unique architectural elements in your garden. Then, we have garden downlights, which shine light downward and provide ample versatility. These can be installed in covered seating areas to create a cozy ambiance, or you could even use them to enhance the perimeter of your garden with fence downlights. If you want to achieve a magical moonlit effect, install downlights over trees and shrubs to cast a soft glow. Low-level garden lighting is another fantastic option, whether you're aiming for a subtle glow or want to increase safety. In-ground lights and recessed lights are perfect for illuminating pathways or delineating different zones in your garden. By incorporating these various types of fixtures, you'll create an inviting and functional outdoor space. A great technique to ensure balanced illumination throughout your small garden is layering your lights. Layering involves combining 3 layers of light: ambient, accent, and task lighting. Ambient light serves as the primary light source, providing overall illumination. For small gardens, bright wall fixtures or downlights work best for ambient lighting. Next, we have task lighting, which provides focused illumination for specific activities. This is essential for areas like seating spots or outdoor kitchens, where visibility is key. And let's not forget accent lighting, which helps set the mood and highlight particular elements in your garden. You can incorporate accent lighting in various ways, such as using hedge lights, wall grazing lights, or spotlighting flower beds and architectural features. When lighting a small garden, energy efficiency is crucial, especially since these lights will likely be on throughout the night. 2 great options for energy-efficient lighting are solar lighting and LED lighting. Solar lighting is the most eco-friendly option because it charges in the sun and doesn't require a connection to mains power. However, it's worth noting that solar lights may not be as bright as LED bulbs and can struggle in cloudy or rainy conditions, producing a weaker glow even after sunny days. On the other hand, LED lights have become increasingly popular for a reason. They are energy efficient, using up to 80% less energy than traditional bulbs. Although they require a power connection, they're still far more efficient than halogen or incandescent lighting. Additionally, LEDs are eco-friendly, have a long lifespan, and can significantly reduce your energy bills. Because they last so long, you won't have to replace them frequently, which saves money in the long run. When designing your outdoor lighting, paying attention to color temperature is essential. Color temperature measures the perceived warmth or coolness of a light source, with a scale ranging from 1000 to 10,000 Kelvin. Lower numbers indicate warmer hues, while higher numbers refer to cooler lights. For gardens and courtyards, warm lighting is ideal. It provides a soft, gentle glow that enhances visibility without being harsh. Warm lighting is particularly beneficial for flower beds and entertainment areas, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere for gatherings. Highlighting vertical features in your garden is another effective way to create visual interest. Open spaces can easily draw attention to tall structures like sculptures, pillars, and columns. One technique to achieve this is uplighting, which involves placing lights at the base of vertical features to shine illumination upwards. This creates a striking contrast between the illuminated element and the surrounding garden. Safety and functionality are paramount, especially when enjoying your garden at night. Path lights can significantly enhance visibility and help prevent trips and falls, making navigation easier for you and your guests. Additionally, task lighting around seating areas or patios makes these spaces more comfortable and usable. From a security perspective, well-lit gardens can deter intruders, as there are fewer shadows for them to hide in. A brightly lit space also makes it easier for security cameras to capture clear images of any activity. For even more convenience, consider integrating smart lighting solutions and timers into your outdoor lighting setup. Setting your lights on a timer allows them to turn on automatically when it gets dark and switch off at dawn. This not only conserves energy, but also adds a level of convenience to your outdoor space. You can set timers manually or incorporate them into your smart home routines, controlling them with your voice for effortless operation. In conclusion, lighting a small garden doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right fixtures and attention to detail, you can transform your outdoor living space into a beautiful, inviting area that you'll never want to leave. Whether you opt for wall lights, uplighters, downlights, or low-level lighting, layering your approach and considering energy efficiency will ensure that your garden looks stunning while serving its purpose. Now, let's explore some specific lighting products that can elevate your small garden even further. One option to consider is the ODL701 3-watt round black recessed outdoor wall light. This fixture provides beautiful low-level lighting, ideal for illuminating pathways and garden walls. It generates 300 lumens of 3000 K warm white light that shines downward, creating a soft glow. Made from durable aluminum and rated IP65, it's built to withstand the elements, measuring 83 millimeters in diameter. Another great choice is the LWA2 of 15 6-watt LED black outdoor wall downlight. Perfect for lighting patios and garden walls, this downlight emits 430 lumens of warm white light, providing excellent illumination for your outdoor space. The durable anodized black finish and resilient aluminum construction ensure it can handle harsh weather conditions, measuring 120 millimeters in height with an 80 millimeter projection from the wall. For accentuating vertical features in trees, consider the ODL035 6-watt LED black finish garden spike light. This spike light delivers 420 lumens of warm white light, casting a gentle glow on whatever it illuminates. With its sleek design and anodized black finish, it's both functional and stylish, measuring 181 millimeters in height and rated IP67 for durability against rain and debris. Finally, the ODL047 1-watt round brass finish LED ground or decking light is perfect for adding subtle lighting to your deck or patio. Recessed into the surface, it creates a low-profile look while providing 70 lumens of warm white illumination at a 30-degree beam angle. Finished in polished brass and with an IP67 rating, it's both elegant and practical. With these lighting ideas and fixtures, your small garden can become a charming outdoor retreat that enhances your living space and provides safety, functionality, and beauty.